There's so much traffic. All right, so we made it to Zion National Park and we're headed to the visitor center. Why didn't they get me? All right, so the plan is to find parking, get to the shuttle area, take the shuttle up, and maybe take one or two of the smaller hikes while we're here, and then drive back.
Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately, there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient.
So the entrance fee to come into Zion is $35 per vehicle. And if you walk in, it's $20 per person. Don't ask.
Need to get away now with you.
We're just waiting for the shuttle. Oh. We'll just get on it. We made it on the bus. Yes. It's so pretty.
How do you make it skip?
I don't know, baby. Oh, you should probably ask him.
You want a rock that's flat. Throw it forward, but you want to try to get it close to the water. And you wrap your finger on it, you want it to be spitting when you throw it.
I mean, so Ariel's trying to figure out how to skip rocks. She's trying. All right, so we are headed on the Riverwalk Trail. It's supposed to be a really easy, family-friendly trail. And this is sand, which is strange. So many squirrels.
And they're all so cute.
They're
and they
all
all just
so
like
cute.
come to the people to take pictures. And one of them like stood up for one person. Downhill.
It's so pretty. Come on down. So pretty. I keep saying that, but it really is very pretty. My question is, who stacked the pebbles? That's the end. So apparently the trail keeps going, but you have to cross through the water, so that is what we're doing. Holy. Oh, it's like really deep though.
It's not that deep.
He is knee deep.
That's like his ankle.
Yeah, I thought it was ankle also. I don't know if this is the best idea. Is there a lot to see over there? Like, is it worth it to cross the river?
Some people call it the same, some people call it a little different.
Is it paved like this?
No.
No?
This is what it's like.
Oh, it's just like that.
Most of it's walking in the water.
Most of it's walking in the water.
You just kind of decide how long you want to go and then come back. A couple sections where it gets up to waist deep.
Nah. So because it's so much walking in the water, we decided against it. So we're not going to do it. He said that it goes all the way waist deep, which is just too much. I don't want Ariel to be swept away or the camera to fall or Tori is stacking rocks.
Oh yeah, that's. It's close to a hose.
Oh no, it fell down. I was trying to see if we can cross over there, but there's no like shallow area. With your shoes on? Or with your shoes off?
Yeah, shoes on, but socks off.
Yeah. But I would definitely hate getting socks wet. I'm not wearing any. So I hate that.
Yep. See? Yep. Get your shoe. Get your shoes. Behind you. There it goes. Oh, careful. Slower. Slower. Do not fall. Back.
Okay.
Or you could just do that.
Oh, that was dangerous.
Yeah, I
My
didn't.
light flashed before my eyes. I was like, oh, these rocks are sturdy.
Yeah, no. I stepped on it a little bit and I was like, no.
I
You-
know, I kind of.
You look like you
lucky.
swam.
Yeah, I went under. It was so fun. And I'm a little lucky with my long legs. It's easier for me to.
That
go
is
through
true.
the current and-
That's true.
Yeah.
Because she has long legs. We don't have long legs. So we would drown. This video really just doesn't do this place justice. It's really hard to get perspective on just how... See, I have to bend over, so it's hard to see that it's so tall. The deer has come closer. All right, it's time to get back on the bus.
Oh.
Back on the bus. Time to go. We're leaving. It's so sad.
We're headed back to the visitor center stop.
Where's Ariel? Bye-bye. It was nice seeing you. You're so beautiful. Time to go. Hello. All right, so we had a wonderful day at Zion National Park. So now we're staying at the Comfort Inn in St. George, which is near Zion National Park.
10:31.
There's 2 beds, mirror, TV, desk, chair. That's about it. That's really all we need. It's late. It's like 10:30. We forgot about the time change, so our clocks are on 9:30 p.m., but here it's 10:30 p.m. So I don't know. We're tired. It's been a long day. Tomorrow we are going to wake up early, have breakfast here, and then we are going to head out to Antelope Canyon. For now, we are exhausted.
Pictures up there look like fires up.
Oh no. All right. Good night. It's like sand. I don't know where it came from. Ah! Oh, I just got a shoe full of it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you.
Don't eat me.
Chew.
Oh.
Oh.
What you doing, squirrel? Are you eating dust? Don't eat me. No, don't eat me. Hi, Mr. Squirrel.
Yeah, these are really friendly, huh?
I don't know. Oh, they're so nice. Oh my gosh. Where did you get nuts from?
No, you can't have my phone.
Hello, people of the world.